We've made our boolean and we've saved it as an EOF. Now we're going to make our tulip. And we're going to use a colour that we haven't used in the design, and it won't matter that it's going to be a horrible colour. We've got an orange, so I don't want to use an orange. It's got to be something that I can recognise quickly when we get to the other part of the program. We'll do it in bright red. Okay. We go and we pick up our Saturn option, curved line, B, column mode, and we start creating our shape. I can't see. And I'm going to pick up my node again to get my tool back. Just move that one over into there. And then trap those end stitches. And then finish him down here. So he traps the end stitches of that stem. And give the bottom of it a nice tulipy shape. Okay. Now I'm not too concerned about the shape I have done here because I'm going to be covering that in a minute. So I'm going to tell that finish object. I'm going to go into parameters. Density 4.5. OK. Pull compensation. Because it's a satin stitch, I want it on a minimum of 3. My sample, I want to straight up and down with a node in the center. I don't want auto corners. Apply. Generate. And I don't like the way that is. So I'm going to move that circular node up to there and move this one up to there. And move this circular node around there. Generate. That's better. I haven't got that gap. And if we look at that in 3D, by having the node down the center, we've now got an extra bit of relief there. So we come back. We go and we pick up our traveling tool. Numeral 3 key. Just drop a node straight upon the top. Curve it out a little bit. Till that generates stitches. Go and pick up our Saturn option column tool. Numeral 3 key. Lay the second node. Lay the third node. Third node. Fourth. And so on. Down to the bottom. And just bring these two in a touch. And then give ourselves a nice shape at the top. And make certain that these two are parallel on the plane they're sitting on. And I want that straight up and down with the node in the center. There it is, number 9. Density 4.5. And no corner stitches. No auto corners rather. until that generates stitches. Now you can see it's wider than this one because it's put a different underlay in. There it is. Normal. I'm going to pick up my tool again, numeral 3 key, put my second node just over here, trapping the end of that stem, shape that out, okay. You mustn't let them overlap. I'm going to have to blow this up. Move that one out a little bit. Him up to there. Him to there. Give a bit of a curve onto that. Drop this one down a touch. That's better. And then just give this a bit of a shape. Not too much. And the same with this one. And there's my straight up and down with a single node in the middle. Density 4.5. And no, can't get to it. I haven't got the slide bar on the bottom. Okay. Finish object. Thank you. Parameters. No auto corners. Oh, and I want the pull compensation. 0.3. I'm going to go back into this one, parameters. Actually, I was going to change that underlay. I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it alone. Generate. And let's just drop down the magnification. Okay. I'm having a problem with my hand, so I seem to be taking forever. There we go. And there's our tulip. And we've made our other flower. And I'm not going to bring the other flower in. Oh, I will. I'll do it in the next video, because it will help you. You may not want to do the final step that I want to do. So I'll bring the other bits in the next video.